Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to install wireless printer on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. Okay, so first you need to open your Windows settings. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open your Windows 11 settings like this. In the settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. From the left panel, just click on it. Okay, and in the right panel, find out printers and scanner. Just click and open that option. Okay, now here you can get the option add a printer or scanner. Just click on add a device. So if you are using a wireless printer, so it will automatically detect on your PC. In case your printer is not showing, now you need to add your printer manually. Here you can get the option add manually. Just click on it like this, and from here you need to select add a printer using an IP address. Just you need to select this option, click on next, and here in the device tab you need to select auto detect like this, and here you need to enter your printer IP address and click on next. It will scan your printer IP address, and once again click on next, and here it will ask you to enter your printer name and then click on next. That's it. Just follow the on-screen procedure instruction and then you have done. So this is the very easy and very simple method to add a wireless printer, to install a wireless printer on your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.